What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. WhatsApp's finally on iPad, bringing video calls, multitasking, and seamless syncing with your iPhone and Mac. Launched today on May 29, 2025, let's dive into why this is a game changer for Apple users. WhatsApp for iPad lets you message, call, and connect on a bigger screen, host video or audio calls with up to 32 people, share your screen, and swap between front and back cameras for crystal clear chats. Apple's multitasking tools, Split View, Slide Over, and Stage Manager let you text while browsing or streaming. It supports Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil for typing or sketching. Perfect for work or play. Why is this update fire? WhatsApp's multi-device tech syncs your chats, calls, and media across iPhone, iPad, and Mac without a hitch. End-to-end encryption and chat lock keep your convos secure even on a shared iPad. It's a productivity and social boost, making your iPad a WhatsApp powerhouse. Ready to chat? Download WhatsApp for iPad from the App Store now. Link it to your account via QR code to sync with your iPhone or Mac. Test out video calls or split view, and follow GadInsider for tips to maximize your WhatsApp setup. That's the vibe on WhatsApp for iPad, GadInsider fam. Are you hyped for video calls or multitasking magic? Drop it in the comments. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.